Let's see how to install Laravel 11 on Ubuntu 22.04. Let's start by opening our terminal and let's update our package list. Now, if we check which version of PHP is available in the Ubuntu repositories for Ubuntu 22.04, we can see that only PHP 8.1 is available. The thing is that Laravel 11 does not support PHP 8.1, so we need a newer version of PHP. We can use PHP 8.2, but it's even better if we install PHP 8.3. To do that, we need to add a repository. And the repository we need to add is called PPA Andre PHP. If we check which versions of PHP are available to us now, we can see PHP 8.3, PHP 8.2, and of course PHP 8.1, which we also had before. So let's go ahead and install PHP 8.3. I'm also going to install a few PHP extensions, specifically XML, curl, mbstring, as opposed to previous versions of Laravel, Laravel 11 uses SQLite by default instead of MySQL. That's why we should also install the PHP SQLite 3 extension. And if you plan to switch to MySQL down the road, you should also install the MySQL extension. Now that that's done, let's open our web browser and let's go to laravel.com. Let's click on Get Started and creating a Laravel project. So first we need to install Composer, and we have a link for that, so let's click on the link. And let's download Composer. And I'm simply going to copy the script from here and run it in my terminal. And if we list our files now, we can see that we now have composer.phar. This is the runnable Composer file, and now that we have it, we will be able to use it to create and run our Laravel programs. Next, we need to move it so we'll be able to use it from anywhere on our computer. And we're going to move it to USR local bin composer. So we're done with that as well. Let's get back to the Laravel page. And to create a new Laravel program, we're going to copy this line and run it. And here they chose to name the new program Example App. This can be changed, of course, to any other name you want. I'll just leave it as Example App. And Laravel is being downloaded, and then our new program will be created. And if we list our files now, we can see that we have a new folder called Example App. That's the folder containing our new Laravel application. Let's get into this folder. And to serve this application using the development server, we run php artisan serve. And the new application is now being served on port 8000. Let's press on the Ctrl key, then click on the link to open it in our browser. And here it is. And if we look down here, we can see that we're running Laravel version 11 on PHP 8.3.